All right, so we've been working with graphing. We did a bar graph with our names the first day, then we did a T-chart with flipping the coins, and then today we did a picture graph with cubes. So today we're going to do another bar graph, but this time we have pictures that are already on the screen. And then we have the pictures down here that are asking us how many beach balls we have, how many footballs, soccer balls, baseballs, and basketballs. So you have to come over here and count them in the picture, and then you're gonna take these X's and you're going to move them over. Okay, so let's count our beach balls. We have 1, 2 beach balls. So I'm gonna take 2 X's and put them over here for my 2 beach balls. Okay, then the next one we're going to do is the football. So we're gonna come over, we're gonna count the footballs. It looks like we have just 1 football. Okay, so I'm going to go and get the 1 football. Sorry, no, we're not getting the football, we're getting the X to represent that we have 1 football. Okay, now we have to count our soccer balls. We have 1, 2, and 3 soccer balls. So we need to find 3 X's and place them here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, our next ones are baseballs. So we have 1 baseball, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 baseballs. So then we take 6 X's and place them in the boxes to make our bar graph. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it took it all the way to the top of our graph. Now we're going to count our basketballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, what just happened? There's 4 and 5. Okay, so looking at our graph, we took the information, the data from here, and we put it on the graph to show us how many we have of each one. Looking at our graph here, our baseball has the most. Our football has the least. Okay, we have 1 more baseball than we have basketball. So if you match them up, they're all equal until there, which means we have 1 more. If we look at our soccer ball and our baseball, we're gonna match them up. So that means we have 3 more baseballs than soccer balls. Okay, our football, we have 1 and 1. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more baseballs than footballs. The beach ball has 2, so we match them up 1, 2, okay? So how many more do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 more, okay? This is how you read a graph. Here, it usually tells you what you're collecting, the data you're collecting, and this one shows you the numbers of how many you have. Sometimes you'll have the pictures on this side of what you're collecting, or the words of what you're collecting, and the bottom will sometimes tell you how many of each one you have, okay? So in your Google Classroom, you will have a bug graph that's very similar to this. You're gonna move the X's over after counting the bugs, and you're gonna build your graph. And I believe there are some questions to answer when you're finished. If you have any questions, just text me.